You want to take it for a ride?
So Gennaro trusts you behind the wheels now?
Fuck Gennaro. Well, he can go tell his daddy.
I'm cooler. If you show me what to do.
There you go. Let's see how you handle it, mine boy.
Barone, she sounds good. Let's go.
Are you sure that's Hunters?
Trust me, I know this place.
Isabel! Minchia! Better get over there.
Anything happens to them, we're dead. Amori!
No! Don't touch me, you bastard!
Isabella! Pull him over front.
Oh, yeah, my father will have you.
Let's go! Enzo! We can't let them get away! Get in!
I drive. You shoot.